No, it is, now it's hypnotized a little bit. Now that's great. There's a photo op. A photo op.
Just gonna sit there for a minute.
That happens sometimes.
Aww,
Your new pet.
how precious. It'll wake up and decide to fly away in a minute.
Probably, yeah. That's really
This
cool.
is really cool. Thank you.
Jiggle it up and down a little bit.
Wrapping.
Tap the bottom of your hand. A little harder.
It's just gonna sit there.
What's going on with my branch?
Harder.
Just gripped onto my pinky.
Now he's perched on your finger. There it goes. That is a cooperative bird.